There are many mysteries and miracles connected with the temple of Lord Jagannath. Many historians, scientists, and even the priests are trying hard to solve these mysteries for so many years, but it remains a mystery till now. In this video, I will explain what these mysteries are. The first and the most important mystery that everyone talks about is that the heart of Lord Sri Krishna is still beating in this temple. There is a belief associated with the temple that when Lord Krishna renounced his body, during cremation his entire body was burnt into ashes, but his heart is still burning and beating. It is said that that heart is still safe and is inside the wooden idol of Lord Jagannath. The wooden idols of Puri Jagannath getting eroded because of this heart's energy, and that is how there formed a ritual called Navakalabhara, by which old idols are replaced with new idols. The direction of the flag on the temple is one of the most fascinating mysteries of this temple. Contrary to the natural laws of wind, the flag flutters in the opposite direction of the wind. It fascinates visitors with its divine defiance of the elements. There is a tradition that every day a priest climbs the temple to change the flag. Some say that if this ritual is neglected, the temple will have to remain closed for 18 years. The giant Nila chakra, which weighs about a ton, is placed at the top of this temple in such a way that no matter from where you look at it, it always seems to be facing towards you. Most interesting mystery here is its installation. What energy has helped the humans to climb up such a tall building with the weight similar to a big elephant? The structure of the temple is built in such a way that it does not cast any shadow at any given time of the day. Some believe that it's a supernatural phenomena, but it still remains a mystery whether it is an engineering marvel or a phenomenon that can be attributed only to the divine force. It is a natural phenomena that, in coastal areas during daytime, the breeze blows from the sea towards the land, and it flows from the land towards the sea during nighttime. But in Puri, exact opposite happens, reversing the geographical laws. Another strange thing about this temple is that you will never see a bird or any other flying object over the temple. It remains a mystery as to why birds avoid these areas while they are usually found at other nearby structures. You will hear the sound of the ocean everywhere in the temple, but when you step inside the temple through Subhadra, the sound of the waves vanishes. According to the Puranas, it is said that Lord Jagannath has entrusted the responsibility of protecting this temple to Lord Hanuman. Under this, Hanuman stopped the sound of the ocean from coming inside this temple, so Lord Jagannath can sleep without any disturbance. The way the prasadam is cooked is another interesting thing about this temple. The food is cooked in 7 earthen pots kept on top of each other. What's interesting here is that instead of the bottom one, the food in the topmost pot gets cooked first, followed by the bottom ones. Please do subscribe for more interesting information.